Phil, we're stood in front of this Hermle machine and this really is quite some demo. Programmed with Tebis, obviously?
Yeah, of course. So Tebis, we've been working on this for a couple of days. So it took about 3 days to program for our guys. So Tebis AG actually got involved on this one. So our parent company in Germany have helped us out.
What I like about it, quite often these demos, they look pretty, but they don't serve a purpose. That is an industrial component.
Yeah, this is an aerospace component. It's a fuel connector. So it's an actual customer part that's being used and in production today.
What strategies have you used within Tebis to get to this fantastic result?
So we're using our latest release of software, so version 4, release 1. So in there we have some new strategies for roughing. So we're using some 5-axis roughing, trochoidal, so it's moving the X, Y, Z, A, B and C axis. So with that you can get closer to component for concave and convex components, so it gives us the ability to machine the component faster.
So is that something new in the new release, or is that something you've had for a while?
Yeah, so over the last sort of 12 months, Tebis have been improving our 5-axis functionality, so we've got some great functionality in there, so for 5-axis roughing, for 4-axis machining, so if you go on the website you'll see some of the great functionalities and the great videos that we're doing currently.
You've talked a lot about roughing, but I must say the surface finish is absolutely stunning, so yeah. What have you done in the finishing cycle?
So Tebis, we actually machine on the surfaces and not on the actual triangulated data like some solutions, so we get a much better finish. So our history is mould and die, that's where we come from originally, but now we're doing aerospace, we're doing medical. So with that, our history is we'll get a really good finish on most components, on all our components actually.
So for the people that don't know of Tebis, where do you differ?
So we differ on, our software is a bespoke solution. It's actually CAD and CAM integrated. So we do everything from 2.5D to 5-axis to robotics to our CAD to our actual reverse engineering modules. So with that you'll get actual guys who actually know how to use the software and actually drive the machine. So the service is number one and the support is number one as well.
And all that's integrated into one suite?
Yeah, so we get the CAD, you get the CAD functionality. So when you actually buy Tebis, you get the CAD, you get the CAM, so you can actually modify the CAD if you need to. So if you're importing step models or IG step models that are not perfect, for example, we can repair that data, we can actually manipulate the data, update it and change it if needed.
And everyone at home, I know they're dying to know, what's the cycle time, Phil?
The cycle time is 2 hours and 54 minutes.
Not bad, thanks a lot.
No, thank you.